Hi guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models, and on my workbench today I have this brand new Italeri 2021-2022 Model Kit Collection Catalogue, and inside are some really nice kits. Not much to update you on with this one here, but we will go through which are new modes. There is one new mode in there which I can't see anywhere. Any websites talked about it, but there is one tooling in here which is new and I can't seem to find any information about. So if you know, after watching the catalogue, just let me know what you know. If you've not been on this channel before, basically what I do is I film my catalogues page by page. I've got brand new ones, I've got old ones, proper vintage classic ones, and basically I film them in the highest quality possible so you can see what the manufacturers were putting out on the year that the catalogue was made back in the day. So in that case, if you want to watch them in the best quality possible, what I suggest is you go to the cog settings, click quality and select 1080p. If you think I'm turning the pages over a little bit too quickly, you can of course pause the video and then press play, or you can slow the video down by going to the cog, clicking playback speed and then selecting 0.5 or 0.25. Only 10% of you who watch these kind of videos are subscribers, and it would really help the channel if you could just click subscribe. And if you want to be notified when I put a new video out there, just click the bell icon and you'll be notified. And remember, it is free to subscribe. There's no payment needed. Anyways, here we go. This is the Italeri 2021-2022 catalogue. Enjoy. So inside the catalogue, there was not a lot new. I would say there wasn't very much new in here at all. Some new schemes, etc. They say here they got new items which are in red. The orange items are back again. The 2020 extra catalogue are the blue ones, which are here. So they were extra to the 2020 catalogue. And then I presume that if they are in grey, closeout means that they won't be re-releasing them, or they won't be putting out that model with that particular scheme anymore. And as I said, they say new items, but basically most of these are not new modes or new tooling. They are your bog standard reboxings. Okay, so there's quite a few there. On the front you have this one here, the Scania. And if I go to the Scania page, which is... So, there you go. That's the new mode for that one. This is Scania S730 Highline 4x2. That one's it's a 1/24 scale truck. That's basically the only thing that is a new mode for the truck side, which is a bit of a disappointment. But they do give you a fine range of lorries if you want to build a lorry. But anyways, going through the catalogue, first off, they're showing you a lot of War Thunder. They've got involved. They've got in bed with them basically, so you can build the planes, and you get special in-game bonus codes. Moving through the 1/35 scale boats. Some of the details on these are phenomenal, aren't they? You know, the pictures do look good. Apparently that's new, but it's not a new tooling. It's just a new scheme on that one. But it comes with all the figures and everything, so you've got plenty of action here. Moving through. They do a great icon key here, so if it's photo etched or super decal sheet, then you have all the roundels. It just tells you what they are on the bottom here. So if we just go through here, this one here, this is what gets me, is that this is going to be a brand new kit, and all they've done is just put them in a little square here, and that one is this. They're doing a 1/48 scale Spitfire Mark 1. That's going to be a new mode on that one, 100% new mode. And the new one they're doing is the F35B. That is a new mold, but they've got that one really big, you see. Just notice that where the plane was originally Isai or Esky modes, they now put a mark there. If they've done that before in other catalogues, I don't think they do. They might have done, but you know, they have been putting out some Esky kits, which is nice. The Tornado GR4 is a new mode as well. That comes with photo etch and a super decal sheet. So that one's new on a 1:32 scale. I think some people have already built that, or they, you know, I've seen there are some lovely pictures there of it. And I think that's basically it. Apart from this in the catalogue, I come across this Jag Tiger, and I've looked on ScaleMates and I've typed in 15770, which is the number, new mode for this tank, and there's no information on it. I can't seem to see any information on it. So if anybody knows about that tank, let me know. Is it a misprint? Is something gone wrong here? But that's basically it. They've got the 1:9 scale side of you know, their bikes here. Look at that. That's Esky as well. Original modes. You know, they're not hiding from the fact that they've been doing that. But there's quite a bit in this catalogue. And as you've gone page by page, it's all war games approved. So yeah, do your own dioramas there. 1:72 scale figures. You know, can people talk to me in the comments? How do you feel about Italeri figures? Because I get told different things. I get told these are some of the best, and some will say they're the worst. So you let me know in the comments what you think of the figures. But yeah, you've got your lorries in the back. So that's the one that they're re-releasing. They are retooling this year, putting out. So it's all looking pretty good. Now this is nice, isn't it? Look at these, the 1:12 scale classic cars. Very, very nice. Look at that Renault RE20 turbo there. I've got to look and get one of them. Very, very nice. And here, apparently, they are putting out, is it this one, this page? There you go. This is supposed to be a new tool, the BMW M1. That's supposed to be a new tooling that's coming out this year as well. Not a lot of information about that. All I know is the BMW M1 is coming out. All right. So, but it doesn't say that it's a new tool. But according to ScaleMates, that is going to be new. Moving through. That's it. Oh, you've got the Paris Dakar there. Can't remember spending my life watching that. Over Boxing Day used to start, didn't there? I used to watch it for the next 4 weeks, or whatever it was. Moving through, Statue of Liberty, if you want to build that. Colosseum. Then they've got their die-cast collection there, which all looks a bit good. Then they do have a small range of paints. Apparently the brushes are quite good. I haven't got any, but I will be investing in a load just to try them out for the channel. Do not buy those sprue cutters because they are shockingly shite. There, I've said it. Don't buy them. They're crap. Crap. In fact, I gave them away to somebody I didn't like. I know I love everyone, but I'm just saying to somebody, I gave them to somebody to try them out, and he also said they were shockingly shite. He said, why did you give me them? And I said, because they were shockingly shite. So there you go. There you are then, that's it. And then you've got your acrylic sets, which are brilliant. Umbro are now doing this as well. And then there's your paint range here from Italeri. Don't know much about their paints. I've never used it. And then there you go. That's basically everything in the catalogue. There you are for 2021. If there's anything in here that you like, anything you fancy building, anything you're looking forward to, leave them in the comments below. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell. Should be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, again, just leave them in the box below and I do reply, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.